Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Search Reply Feature 2026. As of May 2026, the YouTube Search Reply feature allows you to turn a comment into a new video search, creating a visual sticker that links back to the original conversation. All you have to do is find the comment by heading or opening your YouTube application. Now, once you open your YouTube application, head to your profile by tapping on this U option located on the bottom right. From there, head to this Your Videos option, then select any of the given sorts. Now head to the comment section. Now find yourself that specific comment, and as you can see, there is three dotted menu icon right next to their comment. Go ahead and click on it. From here you should be able to find this option or tap on this reply option, and you should be able to find camera icon right next to your chat box. Go ahead and tap on this camera icon. Then record your video by tapping on this red button, or just tap on this add option, then add in your pre-recorded video. And once it is done, as you can see, you should be able to use this comment or move this comment or place it anywhere on the screen. And if you want to remove it as the video progresses, all you have to do is tap on it once, or you can use this slider menu, from where you can also choose to remove or bring it in your video whenever you want. And once you do so, go ahead and tap on this next, and this specific comment will be replied with your search. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.